In my job as developer, I'm using AI actually a lot for prototyping. So I've got like a rough idea, but I'm not fully sure how the code or the structure should look like. And to get some ideas, I'm asking AI to prototype me some code, and then I'll look through it. Yeah, that's one main task. Another one is a lot for documentation. Nobody likes the documentation, and AI is pretty good in creating documentation from the code. So looking through your code and writing good structured texts. So you have to go through it and make it better. Most tools I use are integrated in Visual Studio Code. So it's called GitHub Copilot or Claude Code. These are command line tools, or can be used as command line tools. So you type in your question, your text, and you get like results directly in the coding environment. So I think that like the simple tasks like creating basic code is a good one that AI can take over. I'm pretty sure AI is like a companion for you, not a replacement. So you will always be valid and you will always be needed, but I think the tasks are a bit shifting. So you're more like helping the AI to write the good code and the complexity. Yeah. Absolutely no. So actually, the reason for that is that AI needs the human input to be good in what it's doing. We are not at the point in the moment, so maybe in some years, but not in the moment that the AI is able to replace anything. It's always helping, and I don't see it as like to be afraid to lose anything of your job.